Assalamu alaikum. Myself Talha Salim. As most of you have used Word document or Notepad, and if anyone has done a mistake in between writing a paragraph, then you can easily remove that mistake just by copy pasting. So what if there is a mistake at molecular level, and then how can you remove or erase that mistake? So the answer is the CRISPR. So basically, before going on to the further description of CRISPR, first let me tell you what is genome editing. So genome editing is also called gene editing. It is a tool to add, remove, or replace, or like manipulate a certain sequences in the genome. A well-known method for the genome editing is the CRISPR-Cas9 system, which is being used in the modern world, and it basically is a more efficient tool than any other genome editing tool. So what is CRISPR? So CRISPR stands for clustered regularly interspaced short palindromic repeats. And let me explain by giving the explanation of this video. So if a bacteria is infected by a viral particle, that viral particle's genome is read by the CRISPR system, and basically a gRNA, or which is called a guide RNA, is formed. This guide RNA allows the Cas9 is basically an enzyme. So this guide RNA allows the Cas9 system to read that sequence and attack to that particular site of genome, and basically remove or replace that sequence. So basically, there are multiple systems which are used for the CRISPR technology, and among that, CRISPR-Cas9 and CPF1 are most dominated one. There are some other systems which are available in the market, which is CRISPR-Cas13 or Sherlock system. It is a more effective or more sensitive tool than the CRISPR-Cas9 system, but due to its costing, it is less used than the CRISPR-Cas9 system. So basically, how CRISPR-Cas9 system was discovered. So CRISPR was first discovered by Francisco Mojica in bacteria, so Archaebacteria. So basically, he observed that there is a certain sequence in the bacteria which helps the bacteria to fight against the viral particle. So then he studied that system is the CRISPR system, and that are the certain sequences, spacer sequences, which allows the bacteria to save himself from the viral particle. So that basically, if a virus infects the bacteria stores that memory of viral genome, and then in later, if a certain virus infects that bacteria again, that genetic memory is then converted into gRNA, and that allows the CRISPR system to attack to that viral particle. And in January 2013, the Zhang Lab published the first method to engineer CRISPR to edit genome in mouse and human cells. So there are certain pros and cons of CRISPR-Cas9 system. So first, let me tell you why one is using CRISPR-Cas9 system. Because it is faster. That is, you can easily manipulate a certain sequences at a more faster rate than any other genome editing tool, with less cost, and it is more effective than any other genome editing tool, and also more efficient. So basically, how CRISPR works. So the as I told you, that CRISPR system basically is a system which is present in bacteria, and it is a part of the bacterial immune system. So basically, in CRISPR, if the CRISPR read a particular sequences which is going to be manipulated, that target DNA is basically read by the CRISPR system, and then a gRNA is formed. That gRNA is called guide RNA, and this guide RNA helps the Cas9 system to basically locate that particular site of DNA. That Cas9 system then binds to that DNA sequence and then cuts it, and then you can easily remove or even manipulate, like substitute or add a particular sequence to the site of target DNA. So how basically CRISPR system is different from the other genome editing tools. The CRISPR-Cas9 system is capable of cutting DNA strands, while other genome editing tools require other enzyme to cut the DNA strands, and then they can manipulate the DNA. So in CRISPR-Cas9 system, guide RNA is present, while in genome editing tools, there is no such thing as guide RNA. And the CRISPR-Cas9 system allows you to manipulate multiple genes at simultaneously, while in other genome editing tools, you can edit a single or a dual genes at, at a time. So there are multiple other uses of CRISPR-Cas9 system. Some are listed here as it can quickly create cell and animal models, and you can then easily perform the functions of CRISPR or the genome editing. And the CRISPR-Cas9 system is basically a rapid diagnostic tool in the model world and for the detection of any genome related or gene related diseases. And also you can enhance the metabolic pathway by the help of CRISPR-Cas9 system. And in reference to the resistance to herbicides, you can edit the particular sequences in herbs which will allow the herbs to be resistant against herbicides, and then the crops are more effective and less damage will be given to the crops by the use of herbicides. So there are cons of also the CRISPR-Cas9 system, and some are here as the gene site selection is a problem in the CRISPR-Cas9 system. And if any one of you is thinking that CRISPR-Cas9 system easily manipulate the genes without causing any harm to the genome, so that is false or untrue, because if the CRISPR-Cas9 system is editing or manipulating a certain sequences in the genome, it can also create unwanted genetic changes, and due to that in unwanted genetic changes, genomic instability occurred, and certain functions can be disrupted. Also, there are some ethical issues regarding CRISPR-Cas9 system, because a debate is going on to this topic that at some level in the future, sometime in the future, the CRISPR-Cas9 system will allow the scientists to manipulate the embryos or to form superhumans, like humans with larger muscles or human with more stability, or like you see in the Marvel or the comics, such that type of people. And there are future discussing about the future perspective of the CRISPR-Cas9 system. So CRISPR-Cas9 system has a wide range in the cancer biology in the future and also in the present. You can also identify the genetic disorders, and most of the genetic diseases or the genetic disorders will then be cured in the future by the help of CRISPR system. And in the third point, experiment with gene editing mosquitoes. So basically, a lab formed a certain mosquitoes with CRISPR-Cas9 system that they manipulate the genomes of these mosquitoes, that and they release into the environment, and this will allow them to eradicate the malarial infection. But these mosquitoes are not completely into the environment, because they can also create some unwanted genetic changes or the arise of the certain or more harmful diseases may cause. So there are so further information and further research is being going on in the field of CRISPR-Cas9 system. And also the CRISPR-Cas9 system will help to withstand the climate changes in the future as well. So the CRISPR-Cas9 system is a more hot topic in the modern world, and more work is going on this topic, because it not only allow one just to just remove that, or to just remove or replace that sequence in the genome, but scientists are using CRISPR-Cas9 system also to enhance the certain activities within the genome, that is by activating a certain expression factors. So that also is going on in the field of the CRISPR And these are the references. And if you have any question regarding the CRISPR system, please ask in the comment section. Thank you.